Hello, my adorable friends. First time I've ever heard the word beef salpicao was in high school from my girlfriend, Mary Jean. They own a hotel and restaurant, and she would tell me that beef salpicao is her favorite dish to make. I was very intrigued about it and asked her how to make it. She said use a really good beef meat and marinate with hot sauce and soy sauce. And add lots of garlic in a pan with hot oil. Saute the garlic. Let it cook until golden color. Set it aside. Start frying the beef with little oil. Important reminder, don't overcook the meat. You can cook this by batch if you are cooking for big serving. After cooking this last batch of meat, you can add back to the pan the first batch of meat that you just made. Add the liquid marinade, add oyster sauce and butter, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Transfer it in a plate and add back the roasted garlic. Garnish it with a chili pepper. This is ready to be served. Smells good and delicious.